man a give on and a get backbone. I know nothing that call it bun fi bun.
John, I don't know how the song come to mind. Even though a different bun, the song I talk about. Basically that we say I go on in a dancehall right now. A bun fi bun. Like my camp bun your camp bun out my camp, and yeah, I just that I go on in a dancehall. But today we are gonna talk about the fire where you see. Them say them a bun pan vybz kartel. In a robe and him, because I just notice another ban it the dog is a head cap or shower cap, as them call it. Me I listen a live. Not only the live about people I say, oh vybz kartel I talk about body shame. Jamaican men not talk about body shame and body shame reserved for woman. Yes, me agree with that. Like man have beer belly. As a matter of fact, in a Jamaica them say when a belly big, yeah, money man. Or the woman them love big belly man. So yes, man no talk about people a body shame them in a Jamaica. But here when I forward for telling you say, I know body shame and a body shame vybz kartel. A sick shame and a sick shame him. Remember the vybz kartel belly no big because him drink too much beer or drink too much water or whatever. Remember the whole of the man them go to prison. Slim you know. Madsus, Cairo, Sean Storm, vybz kartel. The whole of the man them go to prison. Slim and forward out back. Slim. As a matter of fact, the man them forward out like them never did go in. A vybz kartel alone forward out. Different. Why? I him alone sick. I him alone have thyroid disease. Why wanna call him Froggy? Why wanna call him Froggy? Froggy is not body shaming. Froggy a makuna make him sickness. Or him face did swell up. Did. Or him belly did look on something. So yes, people no body shame. Even though vybz kartel use the word. The vybz kartel know why him use the word. The vybz kartel obviously done business we don't want to say about him. Vybz kartel just I use want to say figure viral. See him forward out and call himself I show brief and them something. That means say him no care. Like what I telling you in the last vlog. Over years so I telling you say the man them have forward from prison. The worst you could have say them are dead at prison and them not come out. And you say that and it never break them. And them end up forward out. So there's nothing one can say. See? Yeah, so we get that out of the way. We established that in the last vlog. But now people are say, yo, man a talk about body shame. When since man talk about body shame. You know say no body shame, you know body shaming, bro. It's like today we know one woman and her foot normal and one day she catch elephantitis and something and people are call her elephant woman. That's not body shaming. Last week we know her with her foot them normal. And this week her foot them swell up 3 times. And you start call her elephant woman. That's not body shaming. So how you go like on smarter than nobody and me tell you all the while say you used to can get away with them argument there, you know. Yo, him a play a victim, body shame. No. The dog nah ball about no body shame. I just F him a F around when him use the word there. And makuna make him sickness, bro. But people, today we are gonna talk about the boys who cry fire. You know the story, the boy who cry wolf? You know how the story they go? Yeah, you see over here so and a shop talk and a bar talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Talk what you want talk. My money talk for me and no bar talk.
Yeah man people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. And I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard. If a real talk me I make, you like the video, you share the video, you subscribe if a real talk me I make, and if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a real talk me I make. So yo, as me establish over the main channel, like a bun for bun. A years we out here bun alkaline call him brata. And me in myself when me see him stop the interview and him get reclusive and him start isolate himself, all of that, me I say to myself say, yeah man, I hide from the vybz kartel question them and the interview. Yeah, that probably be true, and because vybz kartel touch road, he have to just revamp himself and forward out time shell. Yes, but me also feel like say alkaline did a run from this brata thing. You know see me a one kid when me run out to the black eyes say say yo him did a one little youth, a one little juvenile, but him forward back and say brata again in our new song. And nobody no burn him out, I defend him, I defend him. So we established that. Zine? So the fire where them money are burn. 2 lakhs over him channel I say a humiliation ritual. Yo, vybz kartel is an independent artist. Which humiliation? Yo, you hear words and you watch TV and I watch, like you sit down and I watch some conspiracy theorists and them something there and checkered floor and black and white floor and rewind tape and reverse tape and when sit down and watch them something and understand that people sign to them something, you know. Which part of the Vybz Kartel sign? Independent artists not do humiliation ritual if you have follow the humiliation ritual theory. Or you make up something for yourself or you just burn some fire and because of Vybz Kartel, the fire not have smart. Yeah, but before you use the word humiliation ritual, like who is he humiliating himself for? Which entity? Which label? Which organization? What you see Vybz Kartel do? I like you can't fathom say a man have a rum company, him have a tobacco company, real estate. You can't fathom say a man get all of this legally through dancehall. One of the biggest dancehall artists where you don't hear him name a call up in a no drugs. You will hear the dog name call up in a murder, but you don't call up in a drugs. You ever wonder that? You ever looking at yourself? This a man a name no call upon no illegal activity. But you say bad mind. It make you answer them something about humiliation ritual now. You see in the year 2020, you see in the year 2030, I be a mad people are going in a dancehall now. Cartel money are going mad the whole of you know. You know have to bring in some devil worshipping shit, sell your soul, forget fame like why the man that do that and the man reach where him reach independently. Basically, he would give away him soul for free, you know. If you not gonna say a humiliation ritual now. You not listen to yourself when you not talk. I mean always say you not talk smart like you not have sense, you know, that always get me to, you know, 2 lakhs, you know. So you know the story with the boy who cry wolf, Zin? Yeah, every day him joke and run out in the farm. Wolf, wolf, wolf. When the people them run with them pitchfork and them shovel and so them a beat out the wolf out of the chicken pen or the sheep pen. Every time them run, breathless, leave all them pot pan fire. Run out and say, yo, them a go hunt one wolf now. When them look, a joke, little youth a joke. Him a do it for the whole week. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Him love the joke when the whole community come out and want to hunt down the wolf. One day now, a real wolf forward. Him turn idiot. Him run out. Wolf, wolf. Him not call out wolf, wolf like him serious again because him panic. Wolf, 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 him frightened. Nobody not take him serious. Because first of all, him not shout wolf the right way. A joke wolf, him start cry out because the people must say a joke wolf and a real wolf, a joke wolf. Now the same thing with footer hype them man and 2 lakhs them man, the twins of twins them man. I'm in a business of which one of the twin them. Keep a brother under control. When you forward out and burn this fire and when cartel forget the real fire, the fans them don't know if I cry or not cry fire like what you always do because you always out here a burn Vybz Kartel pan some cry wolf, some joke fire because you always out here a burn Vybz Kartel for every single thing we him do. Or some things when a word fire burn because if it was somebody else we would ignore it. So we know say a hypocrite fire we always out here burn. So when if you burn the real fire, I make the fans them say, Bomba, look how everybody a burn Vybz Kartel, but what? The fans them immune to it. The fans them don't know if a joke fire or not burn. The fans them don't know if a real fire burn because you know always out there a cry fire. Fire, fire, fire. Fire burn pan Vybz Kartel. Fire burn pan Vybz Kartel because him buy Sean Storm, one old Beamer, and buy Madsus one Benz. Fire burn pan Vybz Kartel because a beer man him a buy a car, him not buy no woman. When the reason why him a buy the man them car because all of the man them when buy a car, them they go to prison. Even Mooney go to prison too. And found out back early. So the whole car concept are the co-accused. So you burn some fire where people are saying, what wrong with you no? Only love text set pan the man so. So now when the man found out in him boxers and in him wash cap and you know burn fire, the people must say, I regular fireman because the people them can't differentiate the real fire from a serious fire, you know, because you know always a burn fire. And then the man them will burn the fire a hypocrite them because them not burn for them artists. You see me? Yeah, but that's what I want to say. The main thing when I want to get out of the way, the man them will go and let them smart, but man no body shame. Yes, man no body shame, but I no body shame and no body shame Vybz Kartel. Sick shame and sick shame and like only not afraid of karma. The way on hate Vybz Kartel on willing for karma ride, you know. Because everybody knows say you don't laugh off of people's sickness, but it's like, yo, a Vybz Kartel this, me no care me, I laugh off of him fraggy. And then when I go turn on and I talk about say, yo, man no talk about body shame, you don't know what I do, bro. And if you don't know what I do, body shame and sick shame are 2 different something. Yeah man people, if a real time I make, you like the video, share the video, you subscribe, And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section. If a real time I make, and you see the video on the screen, it's a video from over my main channel. You can go over there and continue the reasoning about this fake fire where them a bun. Everybody want to bun vybz kartel, but them not bun for them artists. Or everybody want Gaza Nation for bun out vybz kartel and them not bun for them artists. Yeah man people. Subscribe to the main channel, see the video there on the screen. I am DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.